Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking the physical ports and capabilities. Ps5 outputs HDMI 2.1, so make sure at least one monitor supports the resolution and refresh rate you want. Once done, choose the monitor that will handle audio and your controller focus, because Ps5 limits audio output. Next, grab certified HDMI 2.1 cables, and if a monitor only has DisplayPort, prepare an active HDMI to DP adapter. Passive ones won't work. Finally, pick a powered HDMI splitter if you plan to mirror across two HDMI monitors. You now make the physical connections and configure the Ps5. First, plug the Ps5 into your chosen primary monitor with an HDMI 2.1 cable and boot the console. Go to Settings, Screen and Video to set resolution and 120Hz if supported. If mirroring to two HDMI monitors, place a powered HDMI splitter between the Ps5 and both displays and verify both show the same edit info. If a monitor needs DisplayPort, use an active HDMI to DP adapter and select that monitor's input so the signal is accepted. You finish by testing and adjusting settings to ensure consistent performance. Play a game briefly and confirm resolution, refresh rate, HDR behavior, and whether audio outputs through your primary monitor or headset. If a monitor shows no signal, make sure cables are seated, adapters and splitters have power, and check for edit mismatches. Firmware updates on the monitor can fix handshake problems. If issues persist, unplug extra devices, test each monitor solo, and swap cables to identify a faulty component before replacing hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.